going on, mates? How are you doing today? In this video, I'll show you how to fix a new folder option when you just right-click here and then go into the new option. And here is the folder option to create a new folder. But unfortunately, most of the pupils were missing this option. Not a big deal. With it just right-click here, this registry file will fix all your issues related to this option. So simply right-click on this, and then click on Merge, or just double-tap on it. Then Open File Security warning will appear. The publisher could not be verified. Are you sure you want to run this software? Simply, you need to click on the Run, and then you will get a user account control. Do you want to allow this app to changes to your device? So definitely just click on Yes, and you will get this notification. Adding information can unintentionally change or delete value and cause component to stop working currently. So don't worry about it. It's just fine. I'm using here as a demo the key. And will you contains in the location path is here have been successfully added to the registry. So click on OK. Simply there's the process, guys. After that, you need to restart your PC and your option will be back here, the folder option, so you can create new folders now easily. I hope, guys, you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just comment below so I will try to solve it for you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.